Welcome people to the first installment of Trading with Code. Let me just give you the introduction, which is going to be about this video and the other ones to follow. I'm going to be using, the traditional method of support and resistance, technical analysis, the indicators. But along with that, I'm going to be using finding historical data to try to find the deviation levels, as you can see here, and sentiment analysis, opinion mining, to get to get a feel of what the crowd is feeling, what the people are feeling about a particular market or asset. Like, for example, Snapchat. And to see if they feel like, is it going down, is it going up, or is it going sideways? We're going to be using something called natural language processing. Is how to program computers to process and analyze large amounts of natural language data, like tweets, comments, posts. It processes all that, and it could tell you if it's positive, negative, or is it neutral. Before I move on, let me recommend you a Telegram group. This one's called Logic Market. It says, with Logic Market Group, measure your logical skills and see if you can forecast the movement of the market. Win some money. So this is just like, prediction market, information market, event derivative, like an exchange traded market created for the purpose of trading outcomes in events. That's what it is, like binary options, if you're familiar with that. So yeah, that's right there. Sign up right now and play for free and get a chance to win some money. They're about to launch soon too. So if you sign up now, you get to play for free. The next one is crowdsource. We're going to use the power of crowdsourcing. One that a lot of you might be familiar with is crowdfunding. But there's more than one way to use that. There's searching, solving, crowd voting. And so we're going to use that for a trading signals, and pump group, like democratizing the pump groups, the signal groups. So public elections are held for coins. Members will start voting. It says here where you choose the next coin to pump. And it will start voting. Our system will announce the top coin, and at that point you buy. So as soon as is pulled, they show the results. So sign up now, because they're about to launch soon, and you get lifetime access for free if you sign up now. Alright, so let's get started. So this is Snapchat. And you can see right here. Well, first let's take a look at the crowd sentiment. The deviation levels is 653, 572, and 468. The longs are 80% and the shorts are 20. In other words, most people think it's going to go up compared to going short. It wasn't exactly 80% or 20, but I had to decided to round it. And this is a visual representation what it looks like. Now, even though people feel like this is gonna go up, and it's probably because they had a good earnings report, which was around the 5th. That's what they probably think. That's why they think it's gonna go up. But if you could clearly see, is at the resistance level right here at 923. And the RSI is oversold, but look at the pattern that it's making too. So this is clearly going to go down. Now where, I don't know exact. That's why I got the deviation levels out here. So it could go 653, 572, or 468. So we'll follow this in the days to come and the weeks to come to see if it pans out. So the next one is the S&P. And hold up, let's take a look at the. Alright, this is the visual representation. This one follows the charts too. That last one didn't. You know, what the people felt and what the chart says was different. But in this case, you know, the crowd follows and the charts follow each other. So you can see there's more shorts than longs. And let's look at the deviation level first. I'm not gonna say them out, but you can see it here. And the shorts are 90 and the longs are 10%. So you can see here, I mean, there's a clear reason that it is, it's clearly indicated that it's going down. The RSI is at 62, where it was at over here before. And if you could see the pattern too, you could tell it's gonna go down. It's already hitting this resistance level right here. There's too many numbers. I don't feel like saying them all out. But I'll put the levels in the description box below. But these are it. So again, this is another one we're gonna follow. We're gonna follow. And follow his development to see if it pans out. See how low this go. And it probably could pass this deviation level here and hit this one. So we'll have to wait and see. So the next one is the Japanese 225. This follows the let me put in the 4-hour chart. This follows the most active Japanese stocks in their exchange. In case anybody didn't know. Yeah, this is a screenshot of the S&P. So we're gonna follow this as it stays to see if it pans out. This was in Trading View, in case anybody wondering. But let's take a look. Yeah, see, this is it. When it comes to the longs and short, pretty much almost even. And this was it. When I took this was around 1 o'clock. It's about 6:45 right now, February 11th. And so this is what it looks like now. It's going up. See, look. It's going up. So it might. So we're gonna follow this along to see where this goes. The first, second, or third level. And we'll more likely might hit this one or this one, but I doubt that it might go all the way here to this third level here. And yeah, so let's take a look at, lost the train of thought. Let's take a look at one that I did yesterday. I just took a screenshot of this one. And it's which one is it? Yeah, ADA. Okay. So for the ADA, which is Cardano, but the ticker symbol is ADA. This was the deviation levels right here. And this one's long, 30% long, 70% short. So let's see if the chart matches up to that. Nope. So look at that right there. And this was like February 9th. And this right here is queued it up in military time. So I don't know exactly what that is. Forgot. So let's take a look. So there was more shorts than longs. Now let's take a look at here. It's already hitting the last deviation level. So there was a high probability it couldn't get any lower than that. And look what happens. See, it's the same day, February 9th. And just look at the timestamp right there. 1739. 1820, so maybe like an hour or so later, it bounced off of that. It did go a little bit, the wicks did hit a little bit, but it never closed below that. It always closed above it. Or open, I forgot what those two are. But and it bounced off of that and it continued going up. Up and up and hit that first level. It didn't have that third, it rarely does, but sometimes it do. And then it went down from there. Actually, it went sideways from there. That's why I didn't screenshot it, because it was uneventful. So let's take a look at the next one I did. This for Litecoin. Let's take a look at Litecoin. So this was the deviation levels here. You can always, I'm gonna put the deviation levels in the description. And these are the longs and the shorts. Always round. They're never exactly 80 or 20 or 50 or 40. Always like to round. You know, to simplify it and to give a clear picture. Again, this was another one. More shorts than longs. More people thinking it's going to go down at that particular time frame. I was going based on the 5-minute charts. So this was a February 9th, 5:57. And see, look, right there. Reason that being, it was already at that support level. But I guess most people thought it was gonna go here or here, but it's already on that support level. So that's why I thought that. And these were the deviation levels. So even if it did crack that support level, it was more than likely gonna bounce here or bounce off of here. And this is what it did. So just pay attention to the time. It bounced off of that, hit that level right there, continue going down from there. And that's it. Yep, and that was it. Yeah, and that's it. Yep, and that's it for today. If you got any more questions, comments, whatever the case may be, let me know, message me. And until tomorrow, we're gonna follow this to see where it goes, see if it hits them levels.